Hello friends and family, welcome back to my channel. Today I woke up to the sound of my doorbell like 3 times and I shot up and opened the door, and it was actually the delivery man dropping off a package that my mom and my sister sent, and I'm so excited to open it and show you guys. So I'm gonna call them and open it and share the experience with them. So let's call them. Alright, time to open the package. Oh, it's so hard to open. Oh, okay, hold on, let me get scissors. Hold on. Okay, yeah, do it again. Trying to see if it smells like home. Wow, well, all my stuff that I left. I can hang up my things now. It's so nice. Oh, 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 oh. More pajama pants, more pajamas. Oh god, it's so weird having on camera. Oh, thank you. I'm a sucker for pajamas, like especially Victoria's Secret. My mom knows where to get the goods, and then alt set. Oh, my hats. Thank you. My god. Is Christmas early? Ugh, I'm gonna tear up. My dog. Oh, I know exactly where to put her too, so. What the? I can wear this today. Oh
yeah. Oh hey, what is it?
What? Really? So I've been dying for a night. I'm tearing up. See, I'm tearing up because I'm happy. So it's a nice coat that I've been dying for, a nice coat for like the longest time. And huh? I will after I'll try it on. I have the big blue thing on. Oh my gosh, and it feels so nice. They sent me shoes because I'm Bigfoot over here. Oh my gosh, Rain. Oh my god, you're making me. Wow, thank y'all. Wow, and it does rain a lot here. It's actually raining today. That's good. And my Rick and Morty shirt. Yes, get Swifty. Oh, yes. Oh, Greg, yes. So Greg ordered me a rain jacket. Oh wow, it's so pretty. Oh wow. Oh wow, inside. Oh wow.
You can wear your boots with it too.
Oh man, I'll look like really bougie with the Columbia jacket and Mary Kay rain boots. Oh my god.
Mary Kay. Michael Kors bringing.
But Mary Kay. Michael Kors rain boots. There you go.
I tried that jacket on. It's super nice.
I bet you did, Mom. I know you did.
That's why I was talking.
I know. I was like, I guess she was just checking. I'm gonna check to be sure. Thank y'all so much. Like, I'm really overwhelmed right now, and I love it. Good overwhelmed.
So, Christmas Eve, we'll have to FaceTime in our PJs.
Yes. Wait, which ones did y'all get?
Same ones. Same. Mom's gonna get one on one too.
Oh my
we all
god.
have the same Christmas. There's our Christmas PJs. You know what we do every year.
Wow.
Okay.
I'm so happy. Wow. Yeah, I'm not gonna open it until and wear it until Christmas too. So
the socks you wear with it.
Socks, and then this too.
Well, you and Danielle got the hats a lot. But we got the socks to wear with the PJs.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I love you, honey.
I love you, Mama. I love y'all. I'm so lost for words. That package had everything that I love and am so excited to try on and use, and I don't know, like I'm just so happy and fortunate to have a great mom and a sister and a whole family that continue to look out for me. And so I just can't wait to send them their gift. Right now I'm just waiting to get more stuff to pile in there, and honestly too, it's very expensive to ship, so I'm waiting for my first paycheck to send it. And then once I do that, I know they're gonna love the gifts, especially them coming from Japan. But today I have plans to go see Jerome again. We're going to Nagoya and just walk around and just I guess sightsee a little bit more and then explore. And he's gonna run some errands and we're gonna have lunch together. So I can't wait to go and meet up with him. So let's start this day. Huh? Oh my gosh, it's the popcorn?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
It's so freaking long.
Really? It's long? I really need to come here to get popcorn, canned popcorn for Christmas.
The snow like pistachio, I've been like staring at it.
Oh, it's not bad at all. Oh, that's a bag. Oh, the can. Yep, 30 bucks. I was like, oh, that's a bag. No, the 4, that's what we usually get is the 4. It has the cheese, caramel, plain. Well, plain, I guess, but that's weird. It's usually just like cheddar and then mild salt.
How much is it?
That one looks Chicago.
20. Oh, for the large. Oh, it's a bag.
Oh yeah, so I'm saying that's a bag, but oh my gosh, the line is crazy.
To invest
In popcorn? Invest in popcorn. Oh wow, yeah, it's like 32 bucks for the mix. And just caramel and cheese, mild salt, plain. Ooh, and they have almond caramel crisp.
I was watching Queer Eye.
Oh, it's her right there.
Oh, where?
Lisa. Right here.
Oh, shit. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, how are you? Okay, ready?
Tour guide.
You have to walk back.
You see a building that I do not know.
Use an umbrella, we need to follow you.
Use an umbrella. Like a big sign, yeah.
Like a flag.
We're full. Now we're off to get desserts. What are you getting?
Pistachio.
Risa, what are you getting?
I'm getting the caramel and the cheddar.
Caramel and cheddar.